Can an LLC expenses offset personal income? Yes, LLC expenses can offset personal income, but it depends on how the LLC is taxed. For single member, LLCs, and multi-member, LLCs taxed as partnerships, profits, and losses pass through to the owner's personal tax returns. This means that legitimate business expenses can reduce the LLC's taxable income, which in turn lowers the amount of income passed on to the owners. For example, if your LLC earns $80,000 in revenue but has $30,000 in deductible expenses, only $50,000 of income is reported on your personal tax return. This can directly reduce your overall taxable income. If your LLC is taxed as a C corporation, the expenses reduce the corporation's taxable income, not your personal return. However, owners still benefit indirectly because lower business taxes can allow for higher distributions or retained earnings. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and keep your finances organized so you can maximize deductions properly. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.